fucking living. My vision is driven to a level that I'm killing. Spit that real shit so you feel it. Mama gets the bills, now she's stressed out. I was going through straight hell. I had to get it by myself, I was on my own. My pops was locked up, he was never fucking home. I gotta get it, I'm heading for the throne. You might know my life, but you never know my pain. Where I come from, your best friends turn fake. First they say they ride for you, then they fucking plied on you. But hold up, let me get my mind right. How'd I just come from being nothing to ending up in the spotlight? Cause I can see the glory and I swear I feel the fame. A lot of people thought that I would never make it to this day. It's crazy cause I used to dream for this shit. Yeah, I remember nights people said that I'll never get it. Yeah, but now look who motherfucking made it. The kid that they thought that couldn't was the kid that fucking did it. V's up, already know the city that I'm reppin'. I look back and wondered how my life even changed. Just a kid with a vision trying to come up on the scene. Yeah, I ride and die and kill for my team. What you know about a little light with a little rain? Little light with a little rain, This is my hope, this is my struggle, this is my pain, this is my hunger, this is my will, this is my power. Yeah, this is my motherfucking life. This is my hope, this is my struggle, this is my pain, this is my hunger, this is my will, this is my power. Yeah, this is my motherfucking life. My mom's crying now, she don't even know what to do. I'm sitting in the bedroom just thinking, will we make it through? Shout out to my fam, yeah, they know I get it in. I remember back then, I would always vision this. Will he ever reach it? Will he ever grow? Will he ever be on top? Only God knows. Thinking if I would've did it, would he ever make a change? I walk this lonely road and there ain't no dead end. They thought he was a problem child, but just a lost kid. And I can't take the pain, so you know I'm getting faded. The day that they said I couldn't was the day I made it. The day that they said I couldn't was the day I made it. This is my hope.